Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be checking out a gamepad controller sent over my Machenike. It's pretty interesting in my opinion. Here it is, the Machenike HG300 wired gamepad controller, and I think it's pretty awesome. But first, let's get into the unboxing video. So here it is. This is the box. So in the front of the box we can see Machenike's logo, and then over here it says M-Game wired gamepad. Then on the bottom here we can see some Chinese wording. On the back it says the same thing. The side it has some of the specifications here, and that's it. So it says here compatibility, ergonomics, it has vibration, and has colorful lights. Let's get into the box. So let's just see this. You can open it up like this. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera. Alright, let's slide it out. That's it, there's nothing else in the box. So it comes in this bubble wrap. Right. So this is everything you get in the box. You get this Machenike quality check sticker to make sure it's authentic. Then you have the gamepad controller, the HG300. Comes with a 2-meter long cable that connects to USB-A. And then of course you get the M-Game wired gamepad user manual. Let's check it out. You can see here it connects to Mac OS, Windows, and it can be used in Steam. And then you can connect it to your smart TV too. It can connect to your Switch, and then it can connect to your PS3 or PS4 as well. So everything you get in the box is like as stated here. You get the gamepad controller, get the user manual, and then the quality check sticker. This is just the manual on how and what is used on here, what are the buttons for. If you're interested, you can pause it and take a look. Again here, this is just the indicator lights that you can connect it to your computer, your Nintendo Switch, your PlayStation, or another PC input. Then this is all just other information that's in Chinese, and that's it. Now let's take a look at the controller itself. Wow, my honest opinion and first impressions, it feels really good. The plastic feels really nice. So on top here you have the right trigger, left trigger, the left button, right button. Feels pretty nice. Of course you got your XY AB right here. And then on top here you have your function or T switch, your select button, your start button, your more button, and your home button. And this middle strip just indicates what device you're connected to. Your up, down, left, right, your 2 joysticks, and Machenike's logo under here. The build quality is pretty good and it fits my hands pretty well. And the back we just have the logo again and some specifications of the product. Let's plug it in and see how it lights up. Okay, so I have it plugged in right now to my computer. The 2-meter long cable really works well because it's long enough for you to like sit back and relax and still have it connected to the computer. As you can see, the first indicator light is on. That means that it's just connected to my computer. I really like the lights on the X, Y, and AB. They feel really nice, the buttons, and they light up really nicely. So the only lights are here in the middle and on the 4 buttons right here. And there are no other lights on the device. Now let's test it out in a game. Okay, so here I have the controller currently hooked up to my computer, and I have Genshin Impact running in the background. Let's test it out and see how this controller works in this game. So far the control feels quite nice, like the running animation and the combat feels really nice. It's pretty well integrated, as you guys can see. Let me just try to fight and see if it actually like feels good with this controller. Let's go. So far it feels good to me. Yep. Like that jump right there, the controller actually vibrated. It's really nice. Okay, so I think it feels really good, especially in this game. I think it will work well for like games like Tekken or Driving or GTA 2. And that is it. I guess that's been the quick look. For using it for a while now, for a few hours, I think that the build quality is actually quite nice and it feels really solid. So let's move on to the outro. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing and quick review of this Machenike HG300 wired gaming controller. If you're interested in this, you can check the links down in the description below. They are priced at around 69 ringgit, and for all the features and all of the usefulness of this gamepad controller, I think it's pretty worth it, especially for around 70 ringgit only. So again, huge thanks to Machenike for sending this over for me to unbox and review. I really like it, and I think the build quality again is really nice, and the light up controls and the haptic feedback really works nice. So if you like this video, you can leave a like. If you dislike this video, you can dislike this video. If you want to, you can subscribe. I'm going to be doing more reviews on tech stuff like this. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.